So on the occasions where the ice capacity, throughput and also the bin size needs to be increased, we look at an IM machine, a modular machine, which is a separate ice machine and a separate bin. So we can go from an IM 130 all the way up to an IM 240 kilogram machine, which produces 240 kilos of ice in 24-hour period, or 10 kilos of ice an hour, with different size bins. So we can have a 140 kilo bin, just over a 200 kilo bin, or a 350 kilo bin, depending on the capacity of the ice that the customer wants to take out, and also how fastly they want to replace that ice. Once again, the IM machines make the cube in exactly the same way as the rest of our range, so it uses a closed cell system. So each cube is made with an individual jet of water in an enclosed system, which keeps airborne bacteria away. But making ice like that gives us a harder, clearer cube, and it takes longer to melt. So as I say, it's a denser cube, which our competitors have difficulty in replicating. So that's what makes this machine, or the IM machines, unique, is the way we make our ice.
And what about the, I see you've got the eco-friendly badge here, so what's the benefit of this? On
the modular ranges, we also have the HFC-free versions, which we call the Emerald range, and basically this is a hydrocarbon refrigerant rather than a synthetic refrigerant. So what that means is it makes the machine run a much more energy efficient, saving the customer money, but also being a more sustainable product for the environment. The build quality is consistent through the whole ranges, so we make sure that with the 2-year warranty, there's peace of mind for the customer for those 2 years, and the longevity of the product is key to us. So they're extremely reliable machines, and as I say, the way it makes ice, it makes sure that once we make the ice, hot gas defrost drops the ice cubes onto a chute into the bin, but then that chute is rinsed, fresh, clean water cycle, ready to start again. So even the machine maintains itself whilst it's going through the ice making process.
What about the, obviously it's a big machine, but I'm assuming simple to use? Anything special?
Once again,
anyone needs to know, or just plug it in and go?
It is. We call them a plug and play machine, but literally, once it's plugged in, it will start to make ice. You can turn the machine off, and then continue the cleaning process. And what we recommend is our customers clean these bins out once a week. That would be good. So the machine is stopped. It stops making ice. The ice is removed from the bin. Food safe sanitizer to clean the interior of the bin. Push start again, and then the ice machine is ready to go. That's the maintenance and cleaning of the bin.
Fantastic.
As I say.
Fantastic. What about general maintenance of the machine?
Again, clean the ice bin once a week for that purpose, but for the maintenance, we ask our customers with this air filter to take that out once a week, and you can either use a hoover or you can wash it in the sink, dry it, and then place it back again. And what that does is that collects dust and any dirt from the environment going straight into the machine when it's being cooled. Each product has a 2-year full warranty, but we do offer service packages, a silver and a gold service package after that. So we can come and service the machine, we can clean it, we can have a look inside it, make sure everything's okay once or twice a year after the warranty period has finished.
Fantastic. And what about, obviously the modular system, as you said, it's built for larger capacity, so you're looking at the various storage bin sizes. What about ice production as well? How does that work?
So what we would go from a 130 kilogram machine up to a 240, but the 240 kilo machine, we have then options to place another machine on top of that to make it 480, and we can put a third on top of that to make it 720 kilograms of ice production in 24 hours. Our customers may start with one of those machines, but then in 2 to 3 years time, or whatever the period may be, that they need to increase their production, we can add a horizontal DNE machine on top of that. That gives them much more production.
Fantastic. So you're basically future-proofing?
Absolutely. With certain models, we can future-proof our customers' production capacities with ice.
Brilliant. Thanks for the information.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Cheers.